Are you looking for the best drawing tablets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XP Pen Star G 646x4-inch drawing tablet. XP Pen Star G 640 is our top pick drawing tablet on this list. This tablet has many nice specs and features. This tablet has a report rate of 266 RPS for easier and quicker drawing experience. It features a large 6x4 inches display that allows you to work on large drawings with ease. This tablet is equipped with an advanced battery-free, which is lightweight and easy to use. The pen has 8192 pressure sensitivity levels to make thin or bold line easily and quickly. Also, this table is compact with many designer software such as Clip Studio, Photoshop, Illustrator, Painter, and more. Lastly, this tablet is simple to operate and comes with a clear manual. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GAOMON PD1161 11.6 inches tablet. For designers and artists, this is one of the most popular drawing tablets currently on the market. The GAOMON PD1161 is a nice drawing tablet that responds very well with lagging. It is a highly sensitive pen that enables you to create smooth, natural, and neat lines. Nonetheless, the features a screen with 1920 by 1080 resolution to deliver bright, sharp, and crisp images. Another nice thing about this device is that it is compatible with most painting software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Sketchbook Pro, Illustrator, OpenCanvas, Manga Studio, Krita, and more. It also has 8 shortcut keys which help to speed up your work. This tablet weighs only 1.9 pounds and can be easily carried anywhere you want. At number 3, we have the Boogie Board Jot 8.5 LCD writing tablet. Boogie Board Jot is another great drawing tablet that comes at an affordable price. This tablet is a perfect choice for artists, kids, moms, students, and construction workers. It features an LCD that you can write or draw on using a stylus pen. Moreover, this tablet features an eraser button that allows you to erase any writing or drawings. The Boogie Board Jot made tablet using sturdy and durable material to ensure that it will last for years. This tablet is user-friendly and it is perfect for all ages. Other than that, it has a slim and lightweight design for easy storage and carrying. This tablet is available in 3 different color options, including blue, pink, and gray. At number 2, we have the Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet with Screen. The Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet is a versatile device, which is ideal for art, animation, coloring, photo editing, architectural illustration, sketching, and graphic design. This tablet has a large 13.3-inch HD screen that allows you to create your designs and projects easily and quickly. The Wacom One Digital Tablet comes with creative software, such as Clip Studio Paint, Adobe Photoshop, and Bamboo. As a bonus, the manufacturer offers 3 months free Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop license and 2 months free Bamboo Paper Pro and Lip Studio Paint Pro license. It also has built-in USB ports that allow you to connect it with your PC or smartphone via an OTG adapter. And finally, at number 1, we have the XP Pen Artist 12 11.6-inch FHD drawing monitor. XP Pen Artist 12 is one of the top-rated and top-selling drawing tablets on the market. This is an advanced tablet that comes with the latest features. It has an 11.6-inch screen, which has 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution to produce vivid and sharper images. The XP Pen Artist 12 tablet comes with a very comfortable drawing pen that doesn't require batteries or charging. The pen has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for increased accuracy and enhanced performance. Moreover, this tablet is compatible with most art software, such as Illustrator, Photoshop, CDR, Clip Studio, Painter, and more. It also features 6 helpful shortcut keys that allow you to create your designs more efficiently and faster. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.